Hello friends, on this video I'm gonna show you how to use routing information protocol using 7 different network. So let's start. Right, first we have to take devices. Here I choose genetics. Then we have to take switches. Here also it is genetics. Then you have to take routers. It's also genetic. Like this. Now we have to choose each of computer and IP address. I already done it, so I have to show you right here. Here I note them down into IP address from every one each of computers. One is 192.168.3.1. That's 192.168.1.1, like this. Every one of them six computers. Now I have to show you how to configure these things. But first we have to go config, then desktop, then IP configuration. Now copy these things, IP, and go. Now here it is subnet mask. It already have. Then you have to set a gateway. Here I set gateway like 3.2. Mm, and okay, and that's it. And for it is source configuration, and also copy this link, and also have and set a gateway. Gateway is like 2. That's it. Now how I show you is like we have to set everyone each of them. The IP address I already choose them. I already set IP address everyone each of them. So I just check this like. Now then we have to connect those computers and switches with routers. So I have done here with auto select cable in here, auto choose, then I connect those devices. Now the problem is when we have to connect through the router to switches, then here in our virtual box or in our virtual Cisco packet tracer system, in every router here are 2 ports, so we have to ensure there are 3 ports. So what should we do? We have here double click on this router and the router 0 is opening. Then we have to choose PT router MN, and I'm going to choose here. Then this is the main, and ensure that this is off. Then 1, 2, 3. You should take 3 or 4, how whatever you like. Then on and proceed. Now we have to connect with those connections, like first Ethernet 1/1 to Ethernet 6/0. Then first Ethernet 1 Ethernet 7/0. Then first Ethernet 1/1, then Ethernet 0. Now it's have done. Now we have to connect those 2 routers, and now we have to choose crossover connection. um, First Ethernet 0/0 to 0/0, and we have given this network IP 10.0.0.0. mm. And now this connection is complete. Now we have to configure this IP connection, configure this router. So what should we do? Go in command line. Here says the continue which configuration we dialog, yes slash no, whatever it means. So we have choose no, enter and double enter. And after that, what should we do? Like enable this thing and enter, press you tab, enable. Now configuration, configuration terminal. And now is modified. And now let us interface Ethernet. Interface Ethernet. Now interface Ethernet we have to choose first. How, what kind of sequence you follow. Now if you follow this thing, now there is Ethernet 8/0. Here 8/0, then press enter, and we have to set IP address. Now here IP address is, we have to select here the gateway IP address. So this network gateway is 192.68.2.1.2, and subnet mask is subnet mask. Okay, we have to here restore the subnet mask also. And press enter. Now we have to now shutdown. And then exit. Now go through the second one. Now SM we done, so we have to type again. Interface Ethernet. Now we have to work on 192.168.2.1. so here the gateway will be the Ethernet is 7/0, 7/0, and IP address is 192.168.2.255.255.255.0, and enter. Now again switch shutdown. Now again for exit. Interface Ethernet, here we have worked now 192.168.3.1. so here is Ethernet is a 6/0, and press enter, then add IP address, add press tab button, and IP address is 192.168.3.2 stage 2 from subnet mask. 5.0 enter, and and press no message and tap enter. Now press exit, exit. Now you have to configure again. Now here is here we see there is fast Ethernet, not interface Ethernet. So you have to say fast Ethernet is 0/0 0/0 and enter. Now IP addresses. Now here we select the gateways. Mm, 192.168.2168. Now 10.0.0. We set here 1, so this 1. Now though it's a class IP address, so subnet mask will be 255.0.0.0 and enter. Switch. Hmm. So those how do I show you how to configure this script, and it and the router 2 is as same as the router 1 configuration system. So I do not show you the router 2 configuration. It's same, and you can try and you do it. Now we have to connect those things. Now we have to connect when we connect to when we configuration those two router, then it will be like this. The all button are here green and will become green signals. Now we have to connect, though here we have connect these things um, we have route those router. Now we have to reap. So again, yeah, now we have to type exit and type the root enter. Enter. Now we have to select network address from this one. Here the network address is one for 192.168.3.0. Dot 168.0 dot 3.0. Enter and again, and network is 192.168.0. And for these two connections here, the network address is 10.0.0.0. So 10.0.0.0 and exit. Now here we done. Now as a configuration here, this IP address we have to do same thing in this router. I have been already done these things, so I will show you in there. Then when you done all that thing I have shown you in here, then this will be look like it. And when you send, when you check this network is okay or not, to pass it through message one to another. See, like at first it shows you like failed, and you do it more than 3 or 4 times, then it show you this message will be successful in here. And like this, very successful. I will show you also. Okay, here it said everyone is successful. So guys, this is it. Thank you everyone.